Okay, next. Calculate the expected production in loose cubic meter. Ibig sabihin ng LCM ay loose cubic meter per hour of a small hydraulic excavator. Heap bucket is 0.57 cubic meters. The material is sand and gravel with a bucket fill factor of 0.95. Job efficiency is 50 minutes per hour. Average depth of cut is 4.3 meters. Maximum depth of cut is 6.1 meters. Cycle output is 250 cycles per 60 minutes, or in other words, 250 cycles per hour, no? And swing depth factor is 1.00. All right. So bago natin ito sagutan, in calculating production specifically, no, we have to consider two types of excavator. If you have what we call a hydraulic excavator, a hydraulic excavator. So this is typically being given in the usual na binibigay as a hint yung formula. But the production in loose cubic meter per hour is equal to, so makikita nyo ito sa mga past board exams, C times S times V times B times E. Okay? So, etong E, so this is what we call the job efficiency. Okay? Yung B naman is the bucket fill factor. Okay? And then V is the heap or maximum bucket volume. Okay? And kadalasan ito ay naka uh, loose cubic meter per cycle. Okay? Yung S, so explain natin isa-isa mamaya. Yung S naman is yung swing depth factor. Okay? And then, etong C is yung cycle per hour. Ayan. Okay? So, that is the meaning of the formula. So, kung hydraulic excavator, ano? And highlight ko na lang din. Gusto kong i-highlight itong dalawang to. Ito. Yung product na itong dalawa. Okay? Etong V kasi, sabi dito, yan yung maximum bucket volume. So, ibig sabihin, kapag halimbawa, meron kang ano, or kapag sinabing heap, no? Heap na heap volume, no? Ibig sabihin, yan yung kayang ilagay dun sa ano, dun sa bucket nung excavator. So, di ba ang itsura ng bucket ng excavator is parang ganito. So, parang ganito yan. Okay, if you look at the side view, so parang ganito yan, no? So may nakadikit. So kumbaga yan yung ano, yan yung dulo nung ano no, nung kumbaga ito. So siguro hanap ako na example dito. Let's see if I can show you. Parang ito. So if this is excavator, ayan. So ang ibig kong sabihin ay kumbaga ito yan. Yan yung bucket. Na? Okay, so kapag kasi nilagyan mo yan ng soil, lagyan mo ng soil, Ayan. So meron siyang ano, no, yan yung V, yung amount ng soil na pwedeng ilagay diyan. Yan yung V. Okay? Kaya lang, not all the time is napupuno yan, no? Not all the time napupuno. Kaya nga, meron tayo ng tinatawag na bucket fill factor. Wherein, lagi naman yan na ano, na less than 1, no, most of the time. So ibig sabihin, hindi talaga napupuno yung maximum na capacity niya all the time na nag-excavate siya. So dito, ginigay yun as 0.95 or parang sinasabi lang na 95% lang nung bucket yung napupuno on average, no? Kaya etong ano, etong product na to is just product ng maximum niya na capacity multiplied by yung percentage lang na on average na pupuno sa kanya. Okay? Kaya masasabi ko na itong naka-highlight na to is the actual. No, ito yung actual loose cubic meter per cycle. Okay? Yeah. Tapos multiply mo pa ng efficiency, multiply mo pa ng cycle per hour, and then yung swing depth factor. Okay? So that's the idea, no? Um, Okay? So, that is for hydraulic excavator. So, muna tayo sa pangalawang klase, yung dragline excavator. Dito na lang. Ito pa. Okay, so ang production naman ng dragline excavator, halos similar. Meron lang ibang mga terms na hindi na natin ilasasama. So, I times S times E, no? Yung E tsaka S, parehas lang sila na ito ay job efficiency. Tapos itong S naman is yung swing depth factor. Okay? Tapos itong I, ito yung tinatawag na ideal output. Okay? Na naka-loose cubic meter per hour. Okay? Ayan. So, actually, doon sa formula na pang hydraulic. O nga pala, ang dragline excavator example niyan, yung mga may cable, na dragline, no? Parang ganito. For example, bitan ko na lang. Just to show you a visual. So ito, example ng dragline excavator. Okay? Pero actually, itong formula na to is somewhat related pa rin sa formula na itong CSVBE, no? Kung ititingnan mo maigi yung formula, kapag itong V times B, minultiply mo sa C, di ba ang units nito ay cycle per hour? Ang units naman nito ay loose cubic meter per cycle. So di ba magka-cancel lang yung cycle? Kaya may iwan loose cubic meter per hour. So actually itong CVB, yan din yung ideal output. No? Yan din yung ideal output sa hydraulic excavator. Okay, so ideal output can be equal to C times V times B. Okay? So, ayan, no? So, kumbaga halos same lang naman talaga sila. Yun nga lang, there are instances kasi na binibigay na itong ideal output, lalo na kapag dragline excavator yung machinery. Okay? So, well, that's it, no? So now, in our problem, this is an example of a hydraulic excavator. So, we will be adapting this formula. Okay? So, ano ba ang given? So, yung heap bucket is 0.57 cubic meters. So, ito ngayon to. Okay? So, yun nga lang, naka-ano siya, no? Naka-cubic meter lang. Pero, understood na yan na kapag ka kasi ihuhukayin mo yung lupa, loose cubic meter na yung mangyayari, no? So, yan ay 0.57, 0.57 loose cubic meter per cycle. Kumbaga, pag sinabi mo kasing per cycle, kahit hindi niya sabihin directly, ay ibig niya sabihin is kada hukay, isang cycle 'yon. So, ibig sabihin sa isang hukay, ang volume na nakakarga niya doon sa bucket ito. Kaya pwede mo nang sabihin na ito yung 0.57 loose cubic meter per cycle. Okay? So for this item, ang V natin is 0.57 loose cubic meter per cycle. Right? Ano pa ibang given? Ang bucket fill factor natin, yan yung B natin, is 0.95. So, ibig sabihin, parang 95% lang napupuno on average. Job efficiency, yan yung E. So, 50 minutes per hour. Pag sinabi natin efficiency kasi normally percentage siya, no? Di kaya decimal. So, actually, pwede mo na i-convert. So, parang lumalabas lang na for every 1 hour, 50 minutes lang talaga yung actual na nagtatrabaho yung machinery, no? O di kaya, kapag tinanggal mo yung ibang mga losses in your time, for whatever reason, pwedeng nag-stop saglit yung, yung operator, o di kaya nag-lag kaunti yung, yung excavator mo, no? So, considering all that, parang lumalabas lang na 50 minutes lang on average per 1 hour, gumagana talaga or napuproduce talaga yung machinery. Kaya pwede mo to i-convert as 50 minutes per 60 minutes. Kasi, di ba, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So, therefore, yung efficiency niya can be written as 5/6. Okay? Ano pa? Average depth of cut, that's not included in our formula. So, we will neglect that. Maximum depth of cut is 6.1. Again, we don't have that in our formula. So, it doesn't, kumbaga, production doesn't depend on those directly, no? And then cycle output. So ito ngayon yung cycle natin. Ito yung C natin. 250 cycles per hour. 250 cycles per hour. Okay? And then swing depth factor, that's your S, is 1. Ayan. Okay, so applying the formula for the production, we have C, V, tama ba? CS, V, bucket fill factor, tapos efficiency. Ayan. Okay? CSVBE. No? And then kapag sinet mo yung units, magka-cancel lang ito. Kaya may iwan na units ay LCM per hour. So the production would be 250 times 1 times 0.57 times 0.95 times 5/6. And that gives us 112.81 loose cubic meter per hour. Or approximately, that is 113 loose cubic meter per hour. And that would be our answer. Right? So that's how you solve this problem.